In this video, we will show you how to install the Trendy's contemporary screw glass shade pendant light. Along all the hardware, we only need a screwdriver. Before installation, cut the power. Step 1. Remove the plastic nuts and fit the main wire through the plastic nuts and the canopy, fixing the nut. Step 2. Install the golf shade. Remove the plastic nuts and metal ring from the metal cap. Then screw in the light bulb. Insert the light bulb and squeeze the metal clips into the glow shade. Fix the metal cap in place and screw back metal rings and plastic nuts. Step 3. Fix the mounting strap to ceiling and connect wire to wires in ceiling. Step 4. Attach the canopy to the mounting strap, fixing the screws. Now turn on power and enjoy your new light. For more information about Homeris and our products, please visit our website.